Hello guys, welcome to Leaders LED video show. In this video, I will introduce this very cool DIY kite for you. Look, this is full color. It's very thin. It's just 1 mm. It's very thin, so you can insert it to any front place like window showcase, backpack, whatever you like. And also it's powered by the power bank, and it with the USB charger, with USB cable. Look, this is the power bank you should to buy yourself. And also it can power by the AC plug, so insert it this USB shock and power with your socket. Look, this screen is full color. It can display the multi-languages, the GI animation, the clock, the brand name. Let me program a message to you. How fast to program it? It by your phone to program it, so you can buy your iOS or Android to program without your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Just I program these messages. I type it and type send. So it's very quick to send messages. And also, some people may ask to notate this message. I program it and send. Yeah, I notate this message in this other direction. And you see, this is multicolor. You can. It's very easy to display, very quickly to display your messages. So I'd like to say this is very nice DIY kite for your next programs. Visit Leaders official store and to get it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, we appreciate you forward it, share it. If you have any questions, please text us. We will reply you in time. Thank you. It's made by Leaders.